Living with Mast Cell Activation Syndrome can feel so unpredictable. One day your body is calm, and the next it reacts to foods you've eaten 100 times before. Today, we're breaking things down simply. Let's talk about low histamine foods that are generally well tolerated when you're managing MCAS. First, why do low histamine foods even matter? Histamine is a natural chemical in your body, but when mast cells become overreactive, even normal amounts can trigger symptoms. That's why choosing foods that are naturally low in histamine, avoiding anything aged, fermented, or leftover can make a huge difference in how you feel. So, what can you actually eat? Let's start with fresh proteins. When it comes to protein, freshness is everything. Think fresh chicken, fresh turkey, freshly caught white fish, or fresh lamb. The key is to cook or freeze them immediately to keep those histamine levels from rising. For vegetables, most fresh options are great. Some of the most well-tolerated include carrots, zucchini, sweet potatoes, butternut squash, green beans, cucumbers, lettuce, and leafy greens. Broccoli and cauliflower are usually safe too. Be mindful of tomatoes, spinach, and eggplant, as they can be higher in histamine or trigger its release. When it comes to fruit, think fresh, not dried, and not citrus. Safer choices include apples, pears, blueberries, watermelon, mango, papaya, and fresh grapes. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons can unfortunately trigger mast cells. So many people with MCAS avoid them. Grains and starches are often gentle and grounding. Good options are white rice, brown rice, quinoa, oats, rice noodles, and gluten-free pasta. Just remember to avoid anything fermented, like sourdough bread. If you're looking for dairy alternatives, try coconut milk, rice milk, or oat milk. Always go for unsweetened versions without gums or additives if you can. And how do you keep meals flavorful? Use olive oil, coconut oil, and fresh herbs like basil, parsley, chives, and thyme. Skip the vinegar, soy sauce, and anything else that's been fermented. Need some simple meal ideas to get started? How about fresh chicken with roasted carrots and zucchini? Or maybe some rice noodles with olive oil, basil, and steamed green beans. You could also try a baked sweet potato with fresh turkey and herbs. Or a quinoa bowl with cucumber, lettuce, and some blueberries on the side. The key is to keep it simple, fresh, and gentle. Remember, everyone with MCAS is different, and your safe foods might not look exactly like someone else's. Think of this list as a starting point, a calm foundation you can build on as you learn what your body tolerates best. You are not alone in this. With the right tools, the right foods, and a bit of patience, you can create meals that feel safe, nourishing, and supportive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it today. Thanks for watching.